Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML coding. To begin, understand that HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language for creating web pages. It uses a system of elements and tags to structure content. Start by learning basic tags like H1 for main headings and P for paragraphs. You can write HTML in any text editor, then save it as an HTML file to view in a browser. Next, dive into essential HTML elements. Attributes provide additional information about elements, such as the href attribute for links, which specifies the destination URL. You'll often use ul for unordered lists and all for ordered lists, with li for list items. To add images, use the im tag, always including src for the image path and alt for descriptive text. As you progress, focus on structuring your web page effectively. Semantic HTML tags like header, nav, main, and footer help organize content logically and improve accessibility. Remember to link external CSS style sheets using the link tag within the head section to separate content from presentation. Always validate your HTML to catch errors and ensure cross-browser compatibility. To truly master HTML, consistent practice is key. Build small projects, experiment with new tags, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Utilize the vast array of online tutorials, documentation, and developer communities for continuous learning and support. Remember, the more you code, the more proficient you'll become. Also, for a fantastic home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.